E-scooters are becoming a popular way to get around globally, and now you can ride them in Toronto legally, not for long. It is only part of a pilot project in the Distillery District. Here's Pat Foran with Consumer Alert. Pat.
Ken, e-scooters are a fun way to zip about, but currently they're not allowed to be used on streets or sidewalks in Ontario. The pilot project hopes to raise their profile, but there are still concerns about safety. Calgary and Edmonton already have pilot projects underway allowing e-scooters. Now Bird Canada, which has an e-scooter sharing service, has its sights set on Toronto. It announced a pilot project in the Distillery District where users can try them out for the next 10 days.
Scooters have been adopted so strongly out west so far in Calgary and Edmonton, huge demand. It's kind of a no-brainer that we want to bring it to the largest city.
Scooters may be popular and fun to use, but they are currently illegal to be used on city streets or sidewalks. That's not stopping people from buying them. We did a story this summer with a store having trouble keeping them in stock.
People still want them and they still buy them.
Legislation regarding e-scooters is currently under review, but there are also concerns about e-scooter safety. Consumer Reports says there have been more than 1,500 accidents in which riders and pedestrians have been hurt. Personal injury lawyers say there are many unanswered questions because it's not clear if there will be insurance available if someone needs to make a claim.
If there is an injury, if there's an incident that happens and there's some damage to a person or to property, who's responsible?
Bird Canada says compared to other modes of transportation, e-scooters are quite safe.
If you look at the injuries per ride, it's actually extremely low, lower even than bicycling.
Legally, an e-scooter is considered a motorized vehicle, so if you are impaired by alcohol or drugs on one, you could face impaired driving charges.
If there was an accident and you were to have found to have alcohol or be intoxicated, you could be charged criminally as a result of it.
Bird is hopeful after the pilot project, e-scooters will be approved for use in Toronto. And Bird says users who try out their e-scooters over the next 10 days can go for a test ride and practice using them. The company believes they could be a major part of urban transportation in the future. On your side, I'm Pat Foran.
If you have a consumer story idea, email us at alert@ctv.ca.
Kind of unusual weather in Toronto this evening. The sun is out and